Hello everyone and welcome to episode 5 of our FreelanceOS tutorials. And in this episode I'm going to take you through one of my favorite pages, and that is the Kanban page. So the Kanban page allows you to manage multiple projects at the same time and also keep organized at a higher level. So if we look here, we have our coaching services project, which we created earlier. And as of now, it's in the not started stage. And all of these columns I've defined myself in the customization part, so you can make this completely bespoke to you and how you want to work. But right now, I have this in not started. Now, as I know, this is already in progress. So I can click and I can drag this into the work in progress column. And within this page, there's a few things I can do within this card. First of all, if I wanted to assign this to somebody, I can click on this little avatar here and I can assign it to myself. Or if you have multiple users in your account, you can assign that to another team member if you're working collaboratively with other members. I can also add in labels here. So if I wanted to say this is low priority, I can add that. And you can also go ahead and you can define colors however you want, like this. So you can customize the card, but if you want to jump into more details about this, there's also a quick pop-up which you can add in here, and you can change things like the dates, you can change the owners here as well. But also at a high level, you can manage all of the to-dos, including the one that we set up earlier in that meeting. So you can add in more to-dos here. And then also you can quickly add in comments without having to jump into the project itself. So there's a high level management here, but if you do want to jump straight into the real project, you can go straight to view full project here. So this allows you to manage your projects at a high level. If you do have several projects going on and this becomes a bit more cluttered, you can just say, I only want to see clients or projects for my computer industries client. You can also, if you're managing multiple people, just filter by certain team members. And then if you have, like in this case, we have our label, you can just say, I only want to show the projects which have a low priority or a high priority. So you can manage projects a little bit like this. If you are looking to have several projects for one client, you can also go back to projects here, and we can go ahead and create a new project, but assign that new project to the same client. So I tend to like to have several different services, like a service per project. So if I was to give you an example here, we have the coaching project which we created earlier, but maybe this one is more of a webinar series. And it's a separate deal. So I would actually create a separate project for that. Once we've set this up, we would be able to see all of the different projects appear within this Kanban. So we can say, okay, well, this one is in progress. This one is done, but maybe it's awaiting payment. So you can keep track of things according to your columns that you set up here.